What's going on, you fabulous savages? It's your friendly neighborhood Uncle Beast, part of the Brooks Creators program, and this one is going to be a little bit different. It's not necessarily gaming related, but it's electrical related. Recently, Brooks has released their Wire Care, and this product is essentially going to tell you the integrity of your wiring, of the electrical wiring in your building. This is going to be a great tool for homeowners and, of course, those who rent, because you don't want to get caught in a situation where your electronics or your electronic appliances just short out of nowhere or potentially cause a fire. Similar to the blood vein theory, the more junk that's in your bloodstream, it's harder for the blood to pump out, so it'll reach other vital organs. Brook uses a similar approach when it comes to electricity, but this is going to give you peace of mind when used correctly. So, quick unboxing, and it's going to go a little something like this. Top sleeve comes off, and of course, pop the top open. You're going to get some stickers that just fell off the side, and you're going to get the Wire Care piece here, and it also comes with an instruction manual. It's really simple to use. What you want to do is plug it into whatever outlet you have any kind of inquiry on, and then simply just tap the power button. I'm going to give you an example in the next slide, so let's go check it out. All right, so we got the Brook Wire Care box we're going to plug in. Now, please keep in mind, my apartment building is really old. And not for nothing, that's way better than I anticipated. I thought it would have been lower. This is definitely good details to let the landlord know the wiring may need some work in the future. Nonetheless, solid product by Brooks, and be sure to check them out. All right, folks, and that's going to be the end of the video. As usual, thank you guys so much for tuning in and checking out Brooks' latest product with the Wire Care. Once again, homeowners, renters, roommates, what have you, you want to make sure your products are always going to be protected, and you want to make sure the electricity in your building is always optimal. So Brook product, well, they're going to take care of you regardless. Nonetheless, links are going to be in the description down below where you can purchase yours today, and I will be doing a giveaway pretty soon, so just follow me at all the social media links down below so you can potentially win one for yourself. And of course, take care now, bye by then, and always remember, Brooks has you covered. See you in the next one.